Not every single image edit needs a desktop anymore. If you've ever asked yourself, what's the fastest way to edit a picture, especially when you're creating from your phone, this is for you. Today, we're talking about the best mobile photo editing apps in 2026 and how AI image editing tools have completely changed what you can do directly from your phone. Before we dive in, I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Adobe. I was paid by Adobe to share my honest experience using their mobile editing tools. And as always, everything that you're about to see is based on how I actually use these apps in my real workflow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber Shanice, and here on my channel, you'll learn a little bit about how to earn the digital dollar as well as a little bit of creator tech, which is definitely something that we're gonna get into on today's video. So here's what we're covering. Lightroom for precision editing and portraits, Adobe Firefly for AI-powered creative edits, and Adobe Express for fast, social-ready content. If you're a creator, entrepreneur, small business owner, or someone who primarily edits from their phone, this breakdown is going to help you figure out which is the best mobile image editor for your workflow. All right, babes, let's go ahead and start with Lightroom Mobile. If you're serious about clean editing, color grading, or portraits, Lightroom Mobile is easily one of the best AI photo editors for portraits available on mobile. This is where I go when I need control. So let me show you. We have a scene enhance feature, which is honestly one of the fastest ways to edit a picture if you need something quick. You've got presets for consistency, which is huge for brand creators. And for anyone who's shooting in RAW, Lightroom Mobile supports RAW files, which is not something every mobile-first editor does well. So if you're editing portraits, product photography, or even high-quality lifestyle shots, this is where I'd start. For me personally, Lightroom feels like the best mobile image editor when I want quality control and professional polish. Now, let's talk about Adobe Firefly. If you ever wondered if the AI image editing that you see everywhere is actually easy, this, my friends, is where it actually gets fun. This is where generative AI really steps in. We have features like Generative Fill, text to image, and object removal, and these tools make creative expansion so much easier directly from your workflow. For example, if you want to remove an object from the background, I can quickly do that. If I want to expand a background or generate something new, I can do that using generative tools inside of Firefly. One thing that I genuinely appreciate about Adobe Firefly is that it generates content that's actually commercial safe, which matters if you're creating for clients, businesses, or brand partnerships if you are a content creator like me. And Adobe's approach to responsible AI is something I think is super important for creators who actually monetize their content. So if you're in marketing, branding, or content creation where the visual experience actually matters, Firefly just adds that creative layer. Now, if your question is, what's the fastest way to edit a picture and post it immediately? Adobe Express might just be your answer. This is my go-to when I need speed. You've got resize features for different platforms, quick templates, text overlays, and exports optimized for social media. If you're posting reels, YouTube thumbnails, or digital product graphics, this saves so much time. For beginners or mobile-first creators, Adobe Express is probably the easiest entry point to AI image editing tools without feeling overwhelmed. If you're trying to simplify which mobile photo editing app is for you, think about it like this. Lightroom Mobile is best for precision, portraits, and raw editing. Adobe Firefly is best for creative AI edits and generative tools. Adobe Express is best for speed and social ready content. So honestly, there isn't just one best mobile image editor. It just really depends on your workflow. Mobile editing in 2026 is all about speed, convenience, and AI working with you. You don't need to sit at a desktop for every edit anymore. If you want control, Lightroom. If you want creative AI power, Adobe Firefly. And if you want speed, Adobe Express. I've linked all three below so that you can test them for yourself. And I'd love to know, what's the fastest way that you edit photos on your phone right now? I can't wait to see your answer down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.